Guys, remember that the ear is in three parts, right? Outer, middle, inner. So outer ear consists of this whole thing out here, which is the auricle. This part of the auricle, the lobule. This part, helix or rim. This part here, external auditory canal, and it ends at this structure right here, tympanic membrane or eardrum. Okay, now I'm going to take this tympanic out. Now we're in the middle ear, which is fluid-filled or air-filled? The middle
Fluid.
ear. Air-filled. Air-filled. Okay. Now, you start off from the back of the eardrum, and you notice this first ossicle right here connected. So what's this very first one right here? Malleus. Okay. And you notice this little like reddish, yellowish line right here? That represents the joint between the two bones. So it's malleus, and the next one over there is the incus. And then where do I find the stapes? Well, notice it's over here. It's kind of fitting into a structure in the internal ear, the inner ear. What's this stapes fitting into? Into the oval window, right. Okay, and then what's this pathway right here? Well, no, that's the auditory tube or eustachian tube, right. Okay, so again, it's eardrum, malleus, incus, stapes. Stapes is fitting into the oval window, auditory tube. Okay, now we take out the internal ear. All right. Again, everyone can see? In front of the back? All right, the directors aren't blocking you, are they?
I'm actually looking now into their cameras.
Oh, well, maybe that'll do the trick for you. All right. So first, guys, the three major sections, right? Right here, these three rings, semicircular canals. Then we have all this middle section, right, through here, all of this. That's the vestibule. And then this snail shell-looking one, of course, is the cochlea. Now, for the semicircular, all you have to do is name semicircular canals. You don't have to say posterior, anterior, any of that. But what's this part of the semicircular canal right here? The swollen end.
Ampulla.
That's the ampulla of the semicircular canal. Now, if we look at the vestibule up here, notice we have this little bumpy area right here, superior. That's our utricle. And then this little lower bumpy area right there, saccule. And remember that the stapes is plugging into the oval window. That's the entranceway for sounds. Well, under here, this little round guy, round window, exit for sounds. Okay? And then, of course, we have our cochlea here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open that cochlea up. Okay? Now, we're going to name scala vestibule, the entrance pathway, scala tympani, the exit pathway, helicotrema, that connects them both, and the nerve. So, on the outside part here, it's actually scala tympani, these two, it's like a pair, this one and this one. Then the next pair in here and here is scala vestibuli. And then right at the apex over here is the helicotrema. That connects scala tympani with scala vestibuli to scala tympani. So once again, tympani, vestibuli, helicotrema. Tympani, vestibuli, helicotrema. Now if you notice this cranial nerve 8 right here, the vestibular cochlear nerve,